Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at some items from iBentoy. So what exactly is iBentoy? They are a site that sells really cute items ranging from stationery and notebooks and pens to clothes and sweaters and socks. They also carry items with their own unique designs, including things with gummy bears, as well as these girls wearing cute styles and eating lollipops. If you're looking for anything cute or practical, you can find it on iBentoy. They have lots of items that you can use around the house or at work or even just in your everyday life like clothes. iBentoy reached out to me and wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing a review on some of their items, and I said, of course, I'd love to. So they wanted to know what kinds of items I would like, so I mentioned that anything that's good for holding things like makeup or small Lolita accessories would be perfect. I also told them I like cute bags. I have quite a collection of little bags and I like to wear them with Lolita, so I told them that any kind of small bag, like a shoulder bag or something that would go with Lolita, would be perfect. And I am really happy with all of the items that I received. Everything came in a big white bubble wrapped envelope, so it arrived safely and nothing got dented, which was great. Usually when I get items from overseas, they get kind of banged up in shipping, so I was really glad that everything arrived in good condition. All of the items inside of the envelope were also individually wrapped as well, some with bubble wrap and some with plastic. As for shipping, it did take about 2 weeks for the package to arrive. I know that there are some delays because of coronavirus right now, so that's to be expected, but it arrived a lot quicker than I expected. So I'm really glad it arrived as soon as it did because I was just really excited to open everything and to try it all out. Alright, so let's take a look at what was inside my package. The first item I want to look at is the Love Bunny shoulder bag. So this cute little rabbit is a shoulder bag and it is plush. On the website it says that the dimensions are 17 by 17 centimeters, so it is a fairly small size, but it does hold a good amount of things. So I actually wore it when I went out yesterday and it was able to hold my phone, my small wallet, and a lip gloss, and there was just a little bit of room left over. This has a plastic zipper as well as plastic hooks. I do like the plastic, I don't mind it at all, but I do kind of wish that it was metal just so that it was a little bit sturdier. The rabbit has 2 big ears and underneath each of them is a heart, and it's also holding a big heart in the middle. I chose the white rabbit, but there's also a pink one holding a moon on the website that you can order. The strap on the bag is adjustable, so if you'd like to make it longer and shorter, it's very easy to adjust. And on the strap you can also see some hearts and it says the word loved on it. I really like this design. I prefer longer bags, so I adjusted the strap so that it sits a little bit lower on me, and I think it looks really cute with Sweet Lolita. You could also wear this bag with Fairy Kay or Decora outfits, and I think it would be good to wear just casually and daily as well. Overall, I really like this bag. It's very adorable, and I think I'll be using it a lot. I also received one more shoulder bag. This one features a gummy bear in the center, and it says Love Jelly Bear. And the outside portion of the bag is fake fur. This bag came in 2 different colors, the one that I have, which is the soft pastel one, or there's one with brighter colors. This bag is a little bit bigger than the rabbit one. This one is about 21 centimeters tall and it can hold a bit more. The zipper and the parts for the strap attached to the bag are also metal on here, which I like as well. And the front and the back of the bag are a rainbow iridescent color. You can see whatever's inside of the bag, and I kind of like this style. I've noticed that clear backs are getting pretty popular, so I think this is kind of a colorful take on that, which is really cool. I also think this bag would be good with Lolita because you're able to hold things like your pass case and your wallet, and you'd also be able to fit other things in there as well. If you've ever owned any brand bags, such as from Baby the Stars Shine Bright or Angelic Pretty, you might know that there's not a ton of space inside of these purses. You do have a good amount of space with this bag, however. It's able to hold my full-sized wallet. I really like this bag and I can't wait to wear it out. The next item is a cosmetics bag. So this one is in green. There are also 3 other colors you can choose from. This is 16 by 16 centimeters, so it is a compact size, but it does hold a good amount. At the top here is a little handle, And it's really easy to open up using one of the two rings on the zipper. On the inside, there's lots of space for you to put your makeup items, and on the lid there is also a mesh part with a zipper, so you could fit small thin things like false eyelashes in here. Each case has a different color and design on it. I picked the one with a girl looking into the mirror and flowers on the side. I really like this design. I think it's very cute. On the side of the bag are different colored flowers, and on the bottom it says flowers with hearts behind it. The material used on this bag is also really thick and feels very durable, so I think this would be really good for traveling. Once the pandemic is over, I definitely am going to be traveling a lot more, so I'd like to put my makeup in here. Next up is this fun little passport case. So on the front is a girl wearing a unicorn hoodie holding a unicorn, and there's also some pink stripes on here and just a really cute design overall. And on the back side we can see there is a note, some cherries, a unicorn, and a little corgi bud. This case feels pretty sturdy, which is great because my passport gets bent and dinged up pretty easily. It's really falling apart, so I need a case for it that's going to last a long time. This has a button snap to open and close. To open it up, you just pull out the little button clasp. And when you open this up, you can see there are a couple different sections. On this side is where your passport goes. In the center is a band to hold a pen. And on the other side, there are two slots to hold cards and a big pocket as well to hold some money. This passport case looks really handy, and I think it would keep your passport as well as your money and your cards nice and safe. Once it's safe to travel again, I will definitely be putting this to good use, and it will be nice to have a passport cover that is both functional and adorable. I also got this little plastic case filled with stickers. So iBentoy has a ton of different stickers to choose from, and the ones that I chose were waterproof and a bigger size. So in here are 16 waterproof stickers, and when I was looking at the website, I thought that these would actually be a smaller size, maybe about 1 or 2 inches, but they're actually really big. I would say on average these stickers are about 2 to 3 inches tall, and since they're waterproof, I think that whatever you stick them on, they'd be able to last on there for quite a long time. I got into making resin jewelry recently, so I'd like to see if I could fit some of these larger sizes into some of my resin molds. I want to see if I could turn these into large rings or necklaces. All of the stickers included have a little bit of shine to them. It looks like they have like some holographic material. At the very bottom of this case, there's also this cute paper insert, and you can take that out. So when you finish with the stickers, you could also use this case as a little storage box. I was really shocked by how big the stickers were, but I want to put some of these on my PC, and I also want to use them in some of my resin jewelry. Overall, I really like these stickers. I'm glad they're a very big size, and I can't wait to try them out. This item here might not look like much, but it's actually a case, so you can either hang it up on your wall or you can fold it up like this and it can be like a travel size case. So if we open up this case, we can see there are a lot of different compartments here, and some of them are smaller, like the ones in the corner here, and some are a bit larger in the shape of a triangle. And you can use this to hold small things, you can hold cosmetics, whatever can fit. I chose the mint colorway, but there are several other colors you can pick from as well. I plan to hang this up in my Lolita area because I have a few hooks around my room, and I also like that you can see what's inside each little compartment, and it's going to make finding accessories so much easier. I also like the little perfume bottle that's on this one. I also got a ton of different hair accessories and pins. So in this little daisy bag here, there are hair ties, hair clips, hair accessories, and there's also some things such as patches and pins. The little drawstring bag here is plastic and it has daisies on it. So there are a ton of different hair accessories. There are some that have flowers on them. There's one with clouds. Some of them have fruit. And the types of materials used on each of the clips are different as well. So some of them look like they are knit or hand stitched, and some of them are plastic. One of my personal favorites is this alligator hair clip here. It has an alligator face, and then it also has like a banana in front of its mouth. And the banana is sticking out quite a ways. I don't know, this is just really kitschy and I love it. Also included are a couple of pins. This one has a fox on it and this other one here is an albatross. And I also received a patch with a girl wearing a rabbit hat. It kind of looks like she's dabbing here. I really like all the items that I received and they're all very practical. I can use them in my daily life and I can also use some of them when I'm wearing Lolita. I'm thinking about placing an order soon and I really want to get this table mat, this mouse pad, and more stickers. If you're thinking about buying anything off the iBentoy website, make sure you use my discount code here and you can get 10% off your next order. They ship worldwide and if you place an order of more than $30, you can get free shipping. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.